Well, hello my dear friends. I hope that all of you are safe and sound wherever you are, and most importantly healthy. So guys, today I'm going to make a very special video. Special because all the things that you can see here is for free. We have got free stuff for our baby from Enfamil, from Nestle, from Similac, from Lifebuoy. So all this stuff are free. Apart from this, we got $8 off on Enfamil Gentleys, and we also got lot of coupons from Pedialyte, from Similac, and some more coupons from Similac as well. In addition to this, Similac has also given us $20 coupons that we can redeem at any outlet for any Similac product. So that is $15, and this is another $5 coupon. So guys, in this video, I'll be telling you how we got all this stuff for free or for subsidized price for our baby just by doing few simple steps. So I would request you all to please stick around till the very end, and we'll open this box also because I got both of these boxes today and we haven't opened it yet. So we will be opening it in front of you. See you after the music. So friends, let's start with the unboxing of Nestle hamper. So let's open and see. I have a scissor with me. There is a small baby wash and shampoo from Cetaphil. Wow, this is nice. Cetaphil, good. 50 ml. Okay, that's good. And then this is Nestle 0 month plus tummy sensitive formula. So this is, I guess, formula milk, but powdered formula milk. So just add water and that's pretty much it. So this is 340 grams, not bad. And apart from that, I think there are few coupons inside. I think that all Nestle products you get some off. So overall, I think it's over $30 in savings. Not bad, very good. Apart from this, okay, there are few more coupons inside. Okay, you can have like $10 off and $5 off for this. Okay. So another $15 off, so $30 and $15, $45 off. And then there is a booklet over here. So this is basically for information. Okay, so age wise from 0 to 6 months, 6 to 8 months, and so on. It's baby feeding guide. So I think Sim and I will have to go through this just to make sure we are all good. So that is all from Nestle. Now let's do the unboxing for Similac. Okay. Okay, so Similac. Okay, so okay, this is much better because it's a smaller container. Because most of these containers you have to consume it within 1 month of opening. So if you have a bigger container and if the baby does not feed as often on formula milk, the contents get wasted. So basically this is good. So this is 227 grams and this is 0+ months. Our most advanced formula, milk based iron fortified instant formula. So good, this is nice. And this is another container, 227 grams, again the same thing. So I'm actually happy with this, because rather than having one big container, if you get two small containers, it's very good. And the expiry date is also very far. So it's May 2022. So it's easily gonna last over an year, but this is 0+ months. So we'll have to use it maybe in another 3-4 months time. And apart from this, there is one milk based iron fortified instant formula. Okay, so I think this is ready to drink. This you don't have to mix with anything. Okay, just do not add water, do not do not do anything. Okay, just open and drink it. So this is, I think, good for travel. So they have just given one. So the Similac container contained 2 powdered formula milk and 1 ready to drink formula milk. Apart from this, Similac has also given us around $20 in coupon. In addition to that, Similac has also given us $10, $20 coupon. So overall it's 5, 10, 20, 30, $40, and Nestle has given us more than $30 in savings. So overall $70 plus 3 containers plus Cetaphil body wash plus ready to drink formula, plus we have got a set of 3 nipples from Enfamil, plus 2 hand sanitizers from Lifebuoy, and we have also got Enfamil Gentleys. So this is similar. So this is pretty much similar. So equivalent to Similac, we have got Enfamil also for free. So guys, before we jump further into the topic, let me take a moment here to thank Enfamil, Similac, Nestle, Cetaphil. कौन रह गया? Lifebuoy. अरे यार. So guys, before we jump any further into the topic, let me take a moment here to thank Enfamil, Nestle, Similac, Lifebuoy, Cetaphil, and all other companies who have given their free sample and coupons to us. Guys, trust me, as a parent to a newborn, there are so many things that we have to take care of, and going to the mall to get the right formula milk, right infant stuff for your newborn is a very tedious task, and I'm really thankful to you guys that I've got all these fantastic products right at my doorstep. That has eased off a burden from my head, and from Sim and Sid, we really like to thank you for giving us your free samples. We will definitely use all of them. So guys, as you have already seen that we have got so much free stuff, over $70 in coupons, and it is sufficient enough for a newborn baby. And as a parent, I need not go to buy which formula milk, and also I have got sample of formula milk of all major brands, Enfamil, Similac, and good quality products from Nestle as well. So guys, now coming to the most important part of this topic, how did we get it for free? What did we do to get all these coupons, all these free samples? So for this, we'll have to go to my desktop and I'll share my screen. So we'll go there right now. So my friends, this is the URL for Similac. I'll be giving the URL for Similac, Enfamil, and Nestle all in the description box, so you can check them one by one. So first we are coming to Similac. When you come to this page, you can see that you'll be receiving up to $200 worth coupons and rebate checks, samples, support and advice for free just by filling out this simple form. All you have to give is your basic details like your first name, last name, email address, your baby's due date or baby's date of birth if the baby is already born, and your address. Now guys, make sure that you give your correct postal address because the samples will be coming to your doorstep. Finally, you have to give the consent that you agree to the terms and conditions and sign up. And that's pretty much it. Based on your baby's due date or baby's date of birth, the samples will start coming appropriately from Similac. Similarly, for Enfamil, when you come to this particular page, Enfamil does things in a bit different way. They offer you couple of membership options. So first one is the basic option, which is free of cost, and you get up to $160 in coupons for infant formula and other samples. Second option is the premium membership option, in which you have to pay $39.99 and you get up to $240 in coupons for infant formula and other infant related things. So guys, you can explore the membership options and choose whichever option suits you better. You have to fill this form. Just like Similac, this form also requires your basic details, your address, baby's due date or birth date, and whether this child is your first child. And that's pretty much it. Now coming to Nestle. Guys, Nestle does things in a bit different way. They want you to register first by giving your details. You have to create an account, and once the account is created, the next step would be to give your baby's details, and based on that they'll be giving you a ready for baby pack, free samples, some coupons and expert tips and advices. So guys, now that you have seen how we got the free stuff for our baby plus all the coupons, do the same thing for your little precious one and take benefit from the company. So guys, with this I end this particular video. I hope you like the contents of it, and if you really do, please do like, comment and subscribe. Guys, please do not leave this video without subscribing. Okay, so subscription from your side is a must, and I please request you all to subscribe to our channel. If at any point of time any of our video had made sense to you, if you liked any of the videos, then please do not hesitate to subscribe. Okay, so with this I say goodbye, take care, much love.